Hello everybody, this is Tech here, and today I have a tutorial for you guys on how to put OS X Mountain Lion onto a USB drive for restore purposes, backup purposes, anything like that. And the reason you would want to do this is because Apple does not presently provide a alternative to the App Store install for Mountain Lion or Lion. You have to download it from the App Store electronically, and there is no physical copy of Mountain Lion. I believe with Lion they offered a USB drive, but that is no longer in existence with Mountain Lion. So if you want one, you have to create it yourself. And sometimes you might want a physical copy for hard booting a machine or just anything like that. So what you have to do, it's really not that hard actually. What you do is you go to the App Store, which will probably be on this page when you open it. You go to Purchases, and you find Mountain Lion or Lion, depending on which one you're doing. This should work with both. I'm going to use Mountain Lion. And you're going to go ahead and download that. And it will ask you this if you already have it installed. And this tutorial is done assuming you have it installed, because if you don't, it's even easier. All you would do is go to the App Store and find Mountain Lion and download it. So you're going to go ahead and do that. Press continue and type in your password. And it's going to go ahead and start downloading that. And it's going to take a while since it's a pretty large file. So I'll be back when this is done. Okay, so as you guys can see here, the Mountain Lion download has been completed, and this window here pops up, and we don't really want that, so we're just going to go ahead and Command Q that. Or you can also right-click on your dock and close it, but there's no X button, as you could have seen there. And I don't have my dock here because this is a second monitor. So after you close that, what you want to do is go to your Applications folder and find this file here. It's called Install OS X Mountain Lion. Right-click on that and press Show Package Contents. Then what you want to do there is go to Contents, and then go to Shared Support, so right here, and then this file here is the one you're looking for. It's the main file with the OS, and this is 4.37 gigs of file, and the whole Mountain Lion download was only 4.4, so this is everything except 0.03 gigs. So you're going to double-click on this, and as soon as you do that, this little box here will come up. So when this is finished, it's going to go ahead and mount the DMG file over here on the side of devices. So we're just going to go ahead and wait for that to finish. Okay, so now that this is finished, this window will come up. We don't need this window, so go ahead and close that. So what you want to do now is plug in your USB flash drive. This is mine right here. I just named it Boot OS Backup, and there's nothing on it currently. So after you've plugged that in, go to your Applications folder again, and this time find the Utilities folder within there, Utilities right here, and go to Disk Utility. And that will open. And what you want to do now is find your USB drive, not this file that we just worked with, but your USB drive. So go ahead and click on that and press Erase, and then make sure you have Mac OS Extended Journal selected. I've already done this, but I'm going to go ahead and do it again because it doesn't take that long of a time. So I'm going to rename this TN Lion. Okay, and then go ahead and press Erase. Don't worry about security options or anything. There's nothing really important in there, just to change your data security. Just leave that at the default. So go ahead and erase that and press Erase here because it's going to delete everything on the drive, so make sure there's nothing on it. And this won't take that long, maybe 2 or 3 minutes at the most. Okay, so as you can see, this has finished now. And what you want to do now is go to the partition you made and press Restore. And now what you do is you drag this file that we created earlier to the source directory here. Mine's already there, but if it's not, go ahead and drag it there. In Destination, for that, what you want to do is drag the partition on the flash drive, so Mountain Lion, to the destination box. And then you're going to go ahead and press Restore. And press Erase, we know. And it's going to ask for your password, as you can see here. So go ahead and type your password in. There we go. And it's going to go ahead and do that. This might take a while, maybe 20 minutes or something. Okay, so once this flash drive has finished being installed, or once the operating system is finished being installed on the flash drive, this window here is going to pop up. Just disregard that, that's fine. Whatever, close that. So now what you want to do is make sure that these both have the same name, the DMG file and the flash drive. You can't identify which one is which by seeing if it says how many gigs are available. The DMG won't say how many gigs are available, but the flash drive will. So now we're going to go and test this flash drive and make sure that it is working. And the best way to do that is simply to keep it plugged in and reboot your computer. So what I'm going to do is switch to a camera and record my screen of my computer, which I know is not the best quality, but that's the only way to check and make sure this works. So you can go ahead and eject the old DMG file actually, and that'll disappear from here. So go ahead and open your Finder, make sure that the flash drive is still there. Yep, still there as you can tell. And go ahead and reboot your computer. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, so I'm about to reboot my computer, as you can see from my makeshift tripod and my reflection through my wonderful glass iMac screen. So what you want to do now is to test it. Make sure you hold the Option key down as soon as you press the power button. So I'm about to press the button, and just start holding the Option key down. See the screen went on there. You can no longer see my reflection, which is a good thing. So make sure you hold that Option key down, and you're going to see a menu come up in about, hopefully, 10 seconds. This computer takes a while to boot for some weird reason. Okay, so as you see, this menu has come up. Now, in order to make sure you're successful, all you have to do is notice that one of those options is this orange one. So all you have to do is make sure that's there, and go ahead and scroll over to it if you wanted to. And if you went to that, what it would do is bring up a menu to install Mountain Lion. So I'm obviously not going to be doing this right now, but I will have a video in the future of how to install Mountain Lion on a Windows PC. So make sure you look out for that. And this is mainly for Hackintosh purposes, but we're just going to make sure this goes into the menu, as it looks like it's about to do right now. And we see there. Okay, the screen has gone to linen. And there we go. So what we have now is the regular setup utility, which we don't really care for, and you guys probably can't see all of it, but that's the whole setup utility. So I'm going to go ahead and quit this and restart the computer. So go ahead and go up here, shut down, and then while it's off, I'm going to go ahead and unplug my USB key, and then we'll be done. So thank you guys for watching. If you ever need this trick, it's useful for installing on a computer that maybe doesn't have a partition on it, it's internet connected, etc. So thank you guys, and make sure to subscribe and like this video. Sorry for the finger in the video there.